Hi, we're at the Chicago VMUG, and this is vBrownBag. And here we are gathering stories about end users and people attending. And today we have somebody. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Liyu. I came from all the way China. Before was a country boy. Now I'm working for IT industry and for VMware. I'm very excited.
Great, glad to have you here. So, what do you do at VMware?
I work for VMware as a full-time employee. My position is the consulting architect. I work for Velocity program, which is to show customer the art of possibility. With the customer, typically we go in customer for two weeks for pre-sale to show customer what is the software-defined data center and technology in action. So people can see the CXO, C-level can see it, director and operation manager can see it. They know what to do with the process, people, and technology.
Great. So, in that role, what's one of the trickiest problems that you've had to solve as far as being able to, get some infrastructure stood up or to get a demo stood up, and how did you tackle that?
So the interesting is the C-level attend VMware, like VMware World, and they heard a PowerPoint success story, and they want to go back to the organization to demonstrate that. But they typically they have some integration issue, some bug, and sometimes performing issue. So when we go there, so my best thing is whatever people tell you, a success story in your environment is special. So I normally for me as a consulting architect, I need to demonstrate our technology in front of customer, and the most important thing is preparation. So I will use this lab to write some Power script to some PuPy and application services integration before I go to customer, because I get a use case already. But now I prepare, I rehearsal, and then I go to customer side. I know make no mistake.
So it's all about preparation. That's the biggest thing. So at the Chicago VMUG, they're giving away a home lab to the end users that are here. Why would you like to win the home lab, and what would you do with it?
When I get my home lab, I will do two things. Number one, I will use this one because my home lab I can do all that kind of JavaScripting, Power scripting, and I want to do some what if, because I heard customer story and they say, hey Lee, can you do this? And I say, yeah, I'll go back to VMware to ask expert. No, I will do myself. I go back, I use this home lab to practice. And the second thing, after I come some great idea, because this is my home lab, I don't need to schedule in Ornachi lab, right? I just do whatever I need to do. And then if I get some crazy stuff, I Twitter it, I show on the blog, and I just do whatever. I show the whole world, saying this is a new way of doing business.
That's a great way to contribute. Thanks a lot for joining us.